Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight on a 2003 Ford F150. Here's the light bulb we're using. It's a 9007. So we're going to lift up these tabs right here on the headlight to take it out. You can see down there, you lift them up. You can see down there, you have to pull up real hard. I'm going to come up over those bolts. When you push back there, you'll slide out the whole headlight. The whole headlight assembly will come out. Unclip the harness right here. Whoopsie, it broke. Old truck. It's a lefty loosey. Bulb comes out. Exact same bulb that was in there. It's been replaced before. Just line it up, stick it back in. Put the collar back on. Quarter turn. Connect the wire harness. The hardest thing is probably getting it lined back up to go back in. Once you do, just push it in tight and then push down these clips that hold it in place. Same with the other side. It's in down there. These clips lock the headlight into place. Good to go. Headlights replaced on a 2003 Ford F150. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.